Lord, I thank you for all you have done in my life, oh Lord. Thank you for my family, oh Lord. Oh, Malagara Shiboro. Oh, I thank you, oh Lord. I bless your holy name, oh Lord. I lift your name high because I know there is none like you, oh Lord. Oh, Father, King of glory, I bless your holy name.
God.
Hey. Thank you, oh Lord, Father, King of
God, please
glory.
answer this girl prayers. Every day, in the afternoon, in the morning, in the night, she's praying.
Thank you, oh Lord. I bless your holy name, oh Lord.
God, thank you for giving me a very good girl. She's not like others.
Oh God, thank you, oh Lord. Father, King of glory.
Now she's speaking in different tongues. Hey.
Father, King of glory, come on.
Adugo. Hey.
Papa.
What are you doing?
I'm just dancing.
Eh? Your sister Chidema is in the church, praying for the good of this family. And you're here dancing. Eh? Dancing on your why not your west? And after you still go out and start dancing between the boys' legs there.
I know you don't love me. Love only Chidema. Let me believe me, it's my life.
Huh? It's nothing now. Look at you. Look at the life you're living. Eh? I'm not sure you're going to be useful at all. Eh? Hi, Adugo. Sure, you are -1 in this family. You are -1. Chidema, how are you?
I'm fine.
You been seeing me with your sister, right?
Yes.
We have nothing in common.
You go and ask her and she'll tell you that I have nothing to do with her. We are just friends. My coming here is just to come and see you.
To come and see me?
Yes.
How?
Chidema, I like you. It's you I like. I like you so much.
You like me?
Now.
Do you love me?
You say, I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. And where do you say you're going to?
I'm going to the church.
Church. Let's enter the bush now.
No, I'm going to the church. Just leave it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
But wait though. Please, anything you are doing, I want it to be secret. I don't want anybody to hear about it.
See, my name is Secret. I have so many secrets up here. And you say you are going to church, I mean?
Yes, I'm going to the church.
And let me just see you. If I'm coming here to see you.
Thank you, Lord. We magnify your name, O Lord. we hand this community, this household onto your book here, oh Lord. Mama Rakalistarabo. Hey God, we thank you, oh Lord. Thank you for this family, we thank you for this community, oh Lord. I pray, oh God, and I know and I believe in you, oh Lord. They are going to change things in this village, oh Lord. They are going to change some things in this village, oh. Any monitoring me, oh. Any type of thing, any evil altar, oh Lord. Standing against this village, oh Lord. I come against it in the mighty name of Jesus. Hey, oh Lord. I know, oh God, you will be here, oh God. I know you are already here, oh Lord. To come and change things, oh Lord. To come and have your way. To come and have your way, oh Lord. God,
Chidema, what is it? You are disturbing the whole community. Morning, afternoon, and night. You are praying. What is it?
Adugo. It's like you are possessed. Look at what you are wearing. Just look at. Just look at.
I don't even have your time. I came here to warn you. I'm sleeping. No, don't disturb me. I'm sleeping.
You are sleeping.
Stop disturbing me.
You are sleeping. You are sleeping.
I will not warn you again. You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me. I will not warn. Anyway. You called me.
Adugo, yes I did. Okay. Adugo, I've been thinking. Ever since we've been going outing, going to the pool, river, even we go to parties sometime. Even yesterday you went to take your bath at the stream. I was the one holding your pant. That one that has yellow something here. I was the one holding it. I've seen your nakedness. Even Adugo, why can't you just have some little time? You know, at least give it to me once. And just once.
Are you mad? Get out.
Adugo, are you mad?
I said to get out.
How dare you slap me?
I don't want to see your feet in this house again.
Adugo, to the restaurant like this. Adugo!
Adugo, people are talking about us, and I don't like it. Just look at what you are wearing, almost naked. Look at your hair, even smoking, eh? See, Adugo, better repent, eh? Better repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand, Adugo.
You are disturbing me.
I'm disturbing you.
Get out.
I should get out.
Get out of here.
Adugo, is something wrong with you? So you want to slap me, eh? You want to slap me? It's like this demon in you is seriously disturbing you, ba? Eh? Hey, let go. Just look at
Stop
you.
touching me now.
Look at you.
What is
Look
that,
at you.
children, this afternoon? Won't you people allow me to rest? What is it?
Papa, it's your daughter. Just look at what she's wearing. Just look at what she's wearing. Eh?
What are you holding on your hand? Cigarette. Hey. And look at you. Look at how you dress.
You will not talk again.
Eh? Look at you. Eh? Why do you want to bring disgrace to this family? Eh? Look at what you are wearing. Oh yeah, get up, get inside and remove that nonsense immediately.
Papa is talking to you.
Are you not hearing me? I say, get inside and... Come on, shut up. Come on, remove that nonsense.
Papa, leave me.
You are naked. Eh? Come on, get inside and remove that nonsense.
Papa, better take this your child to church, oh. Better take her to the church. She needs some deliverance.
It's okay, okay, eh? It's okay. You children will not kill me in this house. Eh? Adugo, you don't laugh. That's what you are wearing. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hey, my God. That's how it is. Hey, stop there. Adugo.
Sir?
Where are you coming from? Adugo. And who is this person?
My friend.
He's your friend. This woman is your friend.
Papa is a man, not a woman.
He's your friend. Is he mad? Your friend that is wearing earring. Hey! If we plaiting hair. I like hair according to Hausa. And look at you. Almost naked. Eh?
Papa, this coat is long.
Almost naked. Come. This person should not cross here. He should not cross.
Adugo, I need to go now, okay? I can't stand this insult. Okay, I have to go.
Come back here. Come back here.
I don't like this thing you are doing. I don't like this thing. Now he's my friend.
You brought this
Oh,
to come.
Papa.
Hey.
I bless your holy name, O Lord. I commit this village unto your hands, O Lord. Father King of God, any evil altar, any evil mirror that is looking at against this village, Father King of God, Papa, let them set that place, O Lord. Father King of God, Papa, come and take absolute control inside this village, O Lord. Oh, Father King of God, take absolute control, O Lord. Take absolute control, O Lord. This village I commit unto your able care, O Lord. We need your help. We need your help. We need your help. We need your help, O Lord. Father King of glory, O Lord, come and be with us, O Lord. Come and start your work, O Lord. So at the end of everything, O Lord, they will know, O God, that you are the reigning king in this world, O Lord. Father King of glory, come and take absolute control. Come and take absolute control. Come and take absolute control in Jesus' name. Come and take absolute control, O Lord. So at the end of everything, we all will see because to glorify your holy name, O Lord. Oh, Father King of glory, I bless your holy name, O Lord. I bless your holy name, O Lord.
No time now. I don't want somebody to come and see me. What is this? What's the meaning of this? You followed that back?
Yes.
I really miss you. I love you so much. What's this time? Drop this thing now, drop it.
Hi, Chidema.
I'm ready to go to church.
Okay, want to go to church,
Yes.
yeah? Go, my daughter. Eh?
Okay.
God bless you.
Okay, sure.
Amen. Put me a prayer, eh?
Okay, Papa.
God really gave me a very nice daughter here. Well, I'm waiting for the day the suitors will be coming. And I will start enjoying.
Papa.
I do what?
I should know my strain about the backyard.
What is wrong with her?
I suspect that she's pregnant.
She's pregnant? Let me go and see her. Chidema, what is wrong with you? What is the problem?
Talk now, prayer warrior. Each time you not let us be. You not allow us to rest.
Chidema, I'm disappointed in you. Eh? Look at you with pregnancy. Every day you carry Bible that you're going to church. You will not allow us to rest in this house. We are praying in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. And the thought all is real. I never know that you're deceiving yourself. Even Adugo was saying it and I doubted it. Adugo that was wearing a nonsense, doing anything. Every time you say you are praying, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, disturbing the whole people. I never know that we are living in false pretense. You carry your Bible and branch to a man's house. So look at the effect. You have been deceiving yourself, deceiving everybody that you are praying. Hey, I'm disappointed. It's today I know that you have been living in false pretense. In short, you, if you don't take time, I will kill you and kill myself in this house. Look at you. Let me see another day say you're going to go to church here. I will cut off your legs. Nonsense. You're going to church. Look at you. Will you get out from my face? Deceit. Adugo now is even better than me. Adugo, I thought she's better. Adugo, my daughter. Please, forgive me. I was thinking that you are wayward due to your character, the way you dress, the way you behave. I never knew you were better than Chidemma. Please, my brother, forgive me. Please, forgive me. But I know you'll not disappoint me like her.
Papa, I promise I'll not disappoint you.
Are you sure?
I promise.
You are my big Ada. Don't worry. We shall be well,
Thank you, Papa.
Look at how she brought shame to this family.